stocks got a bump today when we heard that Obama's going to come out at 1:30 to talk to the press. Sarge, what does this mean? Are we going to get a deal today?
It's certainly, the way the prices are moving around, it seems like there's going to be some kind of half-hearted, kick the can down the road move, which really wasn't unexpected. I mean, we saw the way the futures behaved from Friday night to Monday morning. Certainly nothing like the way stocks opened today. So I guess from the open today, there's been an idea that something would happen to avert the full impact of the fiscal cliff, and I guess that's what we're going to hear about at 1:30.
Well, one of the questions that has been out there is the sequestering. What's going to happen there? Is that going to get delayed? It seems to be a sticking topic right now.
Well, you certainly won't see the full sequestration that so many people are afraid of, especially people in my other line of work, the military. So I think you're going to see certain things like a certain level set for tax, maybe 250, maybe 400. You'll see the unemployment benefits pushed out. You'll see deadlines set in the future for a lot of the things they still have to work out, like the debt ceiling maybe. You'll see some of these things pushed back into the spring possibly before tax time, so we can do this whole thing again. And everybody can get all angry at Congress again, and Congress can try not to work hard again, and all this stuff can go on and on. So I don't think this is really a positive, but as we've seen in Europe, every time they kick that can, the markets react favorably that day.
Now, what if we don't get a deal at all?
If we don't get a deal at all, you'll see the S&P 500 trade about 50 points lower than it's trading right now.
Yeah, that's right about where everyone says. So what's the trade today going into 2013?
You know, I'm thinking that the upward trend, the risk-on move, fiscal cliff aside, is still intact. So I am thinking that I usually tell people to be very cautious. I usually tell people to stay defensive. I'm thinking that maybe it's time to tiptoe into some of these more dangerous arenas, perhaps the technology names, the financial names, the energy names, those kind of names. Maybe you just want to be in the game a little bit.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much, Sarge. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.